On this day, I had a very special aviation experience as I spotted a Boeing 757 from Icelandair for the first time. The aircraft departed from Frankfurt Airport on runway 25 center, heading to Reykjavik. As it lined up and accelerated, the powerful engines and the distinctive shape of the 757 made the moment unforgettable. Watching it take off smoothly into the sky was the highlight of the experience. Since it was my first time spotting this aircraft type from Icelandair, it felt especially exciting and meaningful, making it a memorable milestone in my aviation journey.